Hey sis, hey sus, hey sis, hey sus, hey sis, hey sus. Sus is me. Ooh, I'm not a rapper though. Ooh. So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So I'd like to welcome you guys. What the heck? Girl, what I forgot what I was gonna say. Yo, okay, oh yeah. It's 12 days of Slay, yes. So guys, go ahead and get your papers and your pen and write down everything that you want. You know, just watch the video because I gotta go. I'm hungry. I gotta go. Bye. Hey guys, so this is my base and my base to my face. You know me? So just to tell y'all, this is a life of starting, or I'll just say revamping YouTube. Y'all, I made a video and that thing was, I think, 46 minutes long, even after I edited it. So I took too long to do my whole face, and it was an issue sending it to my laptop. So I was just going through a lot of technical difficulties, just trying to give y'all a look, you know? So guys, welcome to our day 1 of 12 days of Slay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And I'm just here to introduce y'all to the first day of Slay. And I'm gonna just insert the chocolate right here. So we're gonna be doing it based upon this 12 days of Godiva Belgium 1926 masterpiece. So it's 12 days of Godiva. So my day was day 1, and I had the privilege to do a look of the milk caramel lion. So I'm gonna do a look that's more of a caramel, a dark, no, because it's milk chocolate. So a light milk chocolate caramel color. So I'll be using some loose glitter pigments. Also our highlighter that's coming out pretty soon. We're still testing out a few, but I have a copper highlighter that will go great with this look. So just watch me, you know, get it a sham. So let's get up close and personal so we can go ahead and pay attention to this eye look, okay? Alright, I didn't like the close-up of it earlier. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend my eyeshadow. All I did is use 2 shades, and are both from the Jackie Aina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I used the shade Credit and the shade Ginger. So I'm just creating 2 light transitioning colors. Now I wanted to try something new. I had purchased the Melts in color, their Ultra Matte, whatever it was called, gel liner, and this is the shade Spilf. I'm gonna go ahead and pack it onto a brush. I may use this brush. I bought this brush from Target probably like 4 years ago, 5 years ago, and it's been doing me good. So I don't know. I know it's from Sonia Kashik. I do not know how to pronounce her name, so don't come for me because I ain't come for you, nor did I send for you. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this. So I relax my. I'm gonna apply it close to my lash line. To build a base, and then work my way up, because I want a chocolate color. What's this thing called? I want something really chocolate with a hint of the copper, because like when you think of a caramel chocolate, you're like, ooh, you taste more of the chocolate than you do the caramel. But the fact that I don't like caramel, I taste the caramel first. But it's like the inside was a caramel look. Like a caramel flavor. So I'm gonna do my eyes similar to that caramel flavored look. So I like how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and use a denser brush. This is from ABH Cosmetics. Same similar brush shape, but this is more tapered and this is more rounded. This is the 122. I don't know, it's dense brush from ABH Cosmetics, and I'm just using that because it's such a dark pigment to spread it out onto my face. I knew I could have used a flat brush, but I didn't too much care to use it. So I'm trying to think of something fun and funky to do. So what I was thinking was probably like doing like, you know how I've never done it before, but how they like girls now are doing like that cut crease line. So I'm gonna try that out. I'm scared because I've never done it before. So I'm gonna just do like a nice little line and see. Like I think it's called double lining. Excuse me, but we'll see how it looks. So I'm using this clear what's this thing called? Glue. And I'm gonna line it up, so bear with me. Alright, so I went ahead and applied on both eyes. Just pray for me, okay? So I'm gonna be using I'm gonna use this small brush. I'm just pressing on my finger, and I'm gonna dip it into here and see how that goes. So it's I don't know if it makes sense, but I'm gonna lower it so you guys can see. Tell me what y'all think. I lowered the lighter on my phone so you guys can see, but I kind of thought this is cute. I think it's decent enough, you know. I'm trying to dust off the extra glitter everywhere. Oh, and I made it to my freaking face, not my eye, like I wanted it to. I like it because like when I had bit into it, it had like, you know how caramel is just like, it's just a nice fall apart. So I was like, let me do like this on my eye instead of doing like the ordinary, you know. Then I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eye look. So I'll be right back. Give me a second. Let me pass this over to the side. I'm gonna pass it to y'all. Alright y'all, so we are back in attack, y'all. So I went ahead and fixed my hair, did my lashes off camera. If you guys want more details on our lashes, I currently have on one of our sets from the Chocolate Delight set. It's from me and Sam's eyelash company. It's called Sis Co. So boom boom boom, this is the Chocolate Delight set. It comes with 2 pairs of lashes instead of me selling just one. So this is part of the Chocolate Delight set if you guys are interested in these lashes. So before I go ahead and complete this look, I'm gonna do my lip. How can you complete a look without a lip? So I'm going to be using my McGrath liner, and I don't remember what shade this is. Ground Control. I'm gonna line my lip. I'm gonna put the MAC Velvet Teddy in the center of my lip. If I wanted to, I could have stopped right here and this would have been my final look. But it's the holiday season, so what's wrong with not adding some gloss? So I'm gonna be adding this gloss from MAC. It's from Tiana Taylor's collection. I can't see what the hell it says, but it's the one with the green. It has like these loose glitter pigments, but you don't see it much. But I'm gonna apply that to the bottom of my lip. Then for some extra gloss, I'm gonna go ahead and finish with this top lip gloss from MAC as well. It's the clear shade, just for an extra little sheen, guys. I want to look like I ate some chicken grease, you know. We need some fried chicken from KFC. And this completes today's look. So guys, tell me what y'all think. Did you think I made the look? Because I think I did. I think I did. Look, this the chocolate and this is me. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know what other videos you guys would like to see from us. I thank you so much for watching again. I can't, oh my gosh, it's mind-boggling. Because it's 12 days of Slay and we've never done this before. So thank you for being on a journey with us. See y'all on the flip side. All right, bye.
Coming at you once again with stories of truth and stories of sin.
OVO Sound Radio.
Yeah, the ball is in your court. No defense, nobody keeping score.